network mining. Okay, most of you must have heard about it. You must have come across it. All right, so this is a crypto authority bring you this powerful, mining project. I will show you the white papers, the things that are embedded in the white paper for you to see that this project is different from other mining airdrops we have been mining for long now. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please show me joy. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's proceed, Jerry. So this is the interface of my app. When you click here, you get this interface. Then anytime you have referrals, you always come here to remind them. This is a reminder. When you click there, that pinch, it will send a reminder to as many that are your downlines to keep mining. Okay, to become active miners or active members. Are you getting it? So that is it now. Okay, you see it, active miners. You remind them. Then from there you also know inactive miners. So that is it, and they will appear here. Active, inactive, they will appear here once you have gotten referrals. So let's proceed. Okay, if let's click here and see what is there. Okay, let's click there. I just sign up now. I just sign up now. As they watch this video now I sign up and they make this video. I never sign up before when they make this video. I just see I'm now like, oh, going through it. I said this project will be a very big project. Let me not cash out from this project alone at the end of the day. Let me show it to my audience. Okay, it will be my joy if I'm cashing out. You guys also equally be cashing out with me. That's the joy of being here as a crypto authority. Okay, now let's proceed. If you go down, I say my art. You say mine at highest speed. Okay, 50% cut when user reach 400,000 of this token. When you reach 400,000 of this token, that means you be mining at, you be getting 2.0. You see from the day the chart now comes in, as miners are joining this airdrop, the allocation, let me put that way, will be decreasing. Okay, so but now people are mining at a very high rate. People are mining at a very high rate. So if you have not sign up, use the link in the comment section. Run with it now. Just saw it, go through it, do analysis, and I sign up. I don't need anybody to preach to me. I know project that will cook. Okay, airdrop that will cook now. It's one of these airdrop that was going to cook for us to cash out big time. Now we go down. Okay, let's check here. There's not much thing to talk about here. Let's check here and see what is there. Okay, they say that the Starx white paper is not available. As I always said in each of my videos, that anytime I come across white paper, the white paper is a written down document that has a detail, every detail about that project, their mission, their vision, what are they up to, what problem are they going to solve. Does this project has utilities? Does it have a strong sponsors? So everything is embedded on the white paper. Okay, so listen, it says, all right then, can you see what they're saying here? That we just hit 1K users. Let's keep mining. For you to see that the mining rate is still high. In fact, they have not gotten millions of users yet. So if you just key in now, your mining rate is going to be high. By the time the project will hit like 200,000, 500,000 users, you must have gone far in your mining. Are you getting it? So that is it. He said, if you look at it, they say Starx Network has launched. They launched on 3rd of this July 2025. Okay, this is just a very fresh and new project. You don't need to play with. New. Are you getting it? That's why I'm taking time to show you all this, so you not say, I didn't know it's going to be like this. So I didn't know it's going to be like this. So okay, this is the white paper. If I click on this white paper, you see what the project, a lot the utilities of the project. Are you getting it? Good. If you read, this is Starx Network white paper. You read down. It says Starx is a decentralized mobile first mining ecosystem designed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Do you hear that? Good. Then if you go down, it said origin of cryptocurrency. We all know the origin now. 2008 when Bitcoin was launched. Okay. Then I don't want to go there. Then you check out the Starx network introduction. Okay, you use your smartphone and mine it Challenges with traditional mining. You say expensive hardware, energy waste and environmental impact, require deep technical knowledge, sorry. Now look at the Starx solution. The tap to mine, no hardware needed. Okay. Cloud mining, minimal device impact. Just use your smartphone, crush the stuff. Oh, I love this project so much. I love it. Look at their vision. This is one of the things you need to look out for in any project you are before you start mining. What are the problem they're about to solve? Okay, they say enable Web3 social apps. Use StarX for reward payment. Do you hear that? This is one of the utilities. Expand via community driven is a community driven project. Okay, so expand via community driven growth. Okay, then say mining rules, referral systems. If you refer, na that one sure you go get reward for referring. Okay, now let's look at the tokenomics of all the thing. This is the gongo, the area, the place you need to look into also. So he said this is their name, StarX. Their symbol is StarX. Total supply is 2 billion pieces of StarX. Then the project will be coming on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Are you getting it? Good. Yes, I love it. Binance Smart Chain blockchain network, their gas fee is minimal, okay? 60% goes to mobile mining rewards. Do you hear that? 15% go to ecosystem and partnership. 15% go to the core team. 5% go to the community growth. 5% is development reserved. I seen it. I'm taking time to show you all these things. Now look at their roadmap. Some of us don't take time to read the project white paper. We're just after mining my mind. I'm taking time to show you all this so that you will not feel biased. You can use your iPhone to mine. You can use your Android to mine. They say KYC and user verification. Okay, then talking listing on centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. That is where they'll be listing when the time comes. So this KYC and verification or user verification, just make sure you use your correct name in signing up so that you don't have issue when the time of KYC comes. This KYC, check it if it's available. I don't think it's available for now, but as time goes by, the KYC will come up. You see, the program just launched a few days ago. Okay, so relax, nothing mega. Okay, so I'd like to stop this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, beautiful ones.